Hey whores, yes you. Don't click out. We all know why you came here in the first place. We all know. We all know. My OG most liked video on my channel was how to get rid of a hickey. The girls are currently eating her up right now though.
I can see you staring, honey.
But I thought it'd be cute to give it a sequel, especially during this time of year where I already know y'all are getting freaky deaky. Everyone's hugging, cuddling, fucking. I know that's why you're here. I want to get into this ASAP, so as always, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. Step 1. Grab your boyfriend or your subject, whatever you have.
Just smile and wave, boys.
Step 2. Gently tilt your partner's head to the side. Oh! Step 3. Pucker up and attach your lips to your person, or whatever you're using. Step 4. Suck. Step 5. Nibble as you suck.
I feel it, definitely. Damn, I already feel how big it is.
Have you seen it?
No, I'm scared. Listen, that shit looks really good.
Oh! He needs some milk!
Have fun, y'all.
Happy hickey.
Happy hiking. Happy fall. Be all cozy with your booze.